Hello and good afternoon and good evening, everyone over at SJElectricLLC.com. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I want to send this video over to you guys showing how to increase your traffic to your guys' website, get more customers every single month, and start increasing your profits. So, with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. A few of the things we're going to look at is your guys' website. We're going to compare and contrast that with some of your competition. You guys have a great look inside. I love it. You got some click to call buttons. I see you got your trucks with your logo on it there as well. And you guys have a fair amount of content, which is really, really good to see. Surprisingly, not a lot of people actually do this. But we want to make sure that this content is full of key words that are very high volume search words, right? That we can't just have just anything, like this. We want to make sure that it's hyper focused to the proper stuff. We want to be targeting certain keywords, and how we can check that is through something along the lines of like this. I know Google offers one of these as well, but this is called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs shows me some analytics or some data based off of your guys' website and what you guys are targeting for your keywords right now. I see you have SJ Electricals pulling in a whole bunch of volume right now. Other than that, you guys don't have a ton of high volume keywords in your site. Electrician Kansas is a good one. That's got 400, but there is not a ton. Let's see right here. Electrician Kansas City is a good one as well. Electrician Kansas City is pulling another one as well. It's just spelled a little different. But all very, very good keywords to be targeting are those high search volume keywords. And what we can do is we can compare and contrast with somebody's website, like your top competition online. And as of right now, that is Jeremy Electrical. We want to figure out what they're doing with their website, what they're doing with their SEO and their keywords that we need to start doing. As you can see, they have a big, huge call to action, draws you in very close. We got a register to request service. We got click to call numbers, all very close to what you guys are doing. They just have a lot more quote unquote pop on their site. Nothing that you guys have to do, but definitely a good idea. They have good keywords in all of their content right here as well. And we want to figure out what those are, right? So we do the same thing that we did for you guys, and we actually figure out what their URL is doing for data. Put it into Ahrefs, and we can look at their backlinks, we can look at their keywords that they have, and the numbers overall. So currently, these guys are doing a little bit better right now. Let's go back to the overview. Sorry to have to jump around here all like crazy. But we want to look at the overview. Let's look specifically here at this organic traffic and the value and importance and why we want backlinks and why we want good keywords and why we want to have lots of referring domains that are holding our backlinks. So 102 organic traffic for you guys roughly right now. And once you guys start to input more backlinks and more keywords into your website, increasing that traffic, you can see what the potentials are. It's absolutely endless right now. So now that we've loaded up here, 2.2 thousand organic traffic just by targeting about 2,000 keywords, 2,000 backlinks, and 600 referring domains. So just like you guys, we can go in and look and see what organic keywords they're using. So they have 500, 300, 500, 500, 8,800, 200, 200, 200, 2,900, right? The list goes on and on of big search keywords that they have in their website. So you guys want to go out and find what high search volume keywords that they have with a low KD. We don't want to really be grabbing all of these. Occasionally, this big search one with 60 KD is all right to grab, but it's hard to rank. See, they're only positioned number 11 right there, but all the low KD, they're much, much higher positioning. So we want to target that. Not to mention, we also want your Google business profile. You guys only have 17 reviews as of right now. Want to optimize this and make sure this is all filled out properly. Want to have obviously those reviews. We want a section. We want to make sure that this is fully optimized, as well as we want a whole bunch of pictures. If we'll say top competition, Jeremy Electric, we'll say they have 21 photos, right? I would go out and get 29 photos. We want to make sure that we're above and beyond on backlinks, on keywords, on photos. We just want to outdo them on everything possible. Once you guys start to do that, you will climb the ranks on the Google ladder in absolutely no time. But for the most part, you guys have a good base to your guys' website. Maybe just clean it up a little bit so you have it secured. That's a good thing to have. But overall, I think you guys are doing pretty stinking awesome. That must be the man, the myth, the legend right there, huh, Steve? Well, anyways, Steve and the entire team over at SJ Electric I hope you guys found this video useful in any way, shape, or form. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach back out to us. We'd be happy to assist you if at all possible. Thank you guys and have a great day.